Hey, what's up? It's Chaz, and for today's video, as you all can see from the title, I will be bleaching and dyeing my hair. Actually, ito na yung final result kasi hindi talaga ako nakapag-intro before bleaching my hair kasi sobrang na-excite na talaga ako. But anyways, if you guys wanna know how I achieved this hair color, please just keep on watching. Okay, so eto yung mga gagamitin natin ngayon. If you have watched my previous vlog, then alam mo kung saan ko to nabili. I bought these sa 𝒻𝓇𝒾𝑒𝓃𝒹𝓈. If you're a Takluba nun, then you probably know kung saan yung store na yon. It's in front of the used lodge. Pero meron din naman to sa Shopee and I'll try my best to put the link in the description. So, eto yung bleaching powder. Repack na lang siya guys kasi wala silang stock nung malaki so it's cheaper. I got these for 25 pesos. Apat sila. So, bali 100 pesos. Naman yung oxidizing cream or color developer, this is for 30 pesos and I got 4 as well. And ito naman yung hair color. This is in the shade Dust and ito naman Ash. This is for 65 pesos and I got 2, so bali 140 pesos. So, in total, 360 pesos lang siya guys lahat. Very, very, very affordable. suot niya. Medyo blondie na orangey siya sa camera tignan, pero I swear in person, medyo ashy siya in some parts. Especially dito sa bandang likod na hair ko kasi mas na siyang i-bleach, so mas lighter siya and mas nag-show off yung pagka-ash niya. Pero sa camera kasi medyo blondie na orangey lang siya. Pero I swear sa personal, medyo ashy siya. So, binabad ko lang yung hair dye sa buhok ko for 30 to 40 minutes. Then, after 30 to 40 minutes, binanlawan ko na siya. Hindi na ako nag-shampoo but I used this. This is the 𝓁𝓈'𝓾𝓃𝒹𝓈 Keratin Treatment 3-minute hair repair na argan oil variant. Buy one take one pala to guys. So, I think this is for 199 pesos. Tapos buy one take one na siya. And also, dun sa bleaching part guys, ibabad nyo lang yung hair nyo for 30 to 40 minutes as well. Huwag nyong ibabad for more than 1 hour kasi baka masunog yung hair nyo at makalbo kayo. Better safe than sorry. Tapos after bleaching your hair guys, ipahinga nyo muna yung hair nyo for 1 to 2 days bago kayo mag-apply ng hair dye or mag-bleach ulit kasi I swear guys, sobrang hapdi niya sa scalps. I suggest na ipagpahinga nyo muna yung hair nyo for 1 to 2 days bago nyo i-apply yung hair nyo or mag-bleach ulit. By the way guys, I know sinabi ko kanina na dalawa yung binili kong hair color but I have decided na actually yung gagamitin kong hair color at hindi na yung dust. So bale, isa lang yung ginamit kong hair dye. So that is minus 65 pesos kasi 65 naman yung isa. So 360 kanina yung total. Minus 65 pesos, that is 295 pesos. So less than 300 pesos lang yung nagasto natin. So I guess that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!